How to get best Newegg discount promo codes. Looking to upgrade your PC or grab the latest tech without overspending? Newegg promo codes can save you big, and here's how to find and use them. Active deals include 35% off select items, $60 off electronics and PC parts, $20 off store-wide, and $40 off G-Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB memory. There's also an exclusive 2% off desktop PCs valid until April 1, 2026. So you can find verified codes on Newegg's official website, coupon platforms such as Retail Me Not, and Hot Deals. And through email signups, community sites also track which codes are active, and the Newegg app offers exclusive deals. So at the checkout, go ahead and enter the promo code in the discount box. Codes apply best to electronics, PC parts, and accessories. So always test codes before relying on them. Newegg promo codes are a reliable way to save. Stick to verified sources, apply them at checkout, and enjoy affordable tech upgrades. And that is how you can get best Newegg discount promo codes.